Hi there, let's review a series of books to learn Dutch in this video. And you can see here all the titles. So that's De Opmaat van Start for absolute beginners, then Inzicht and De Sprong for advanced beginners, and then Vooruit and De Finale. And that is this one, De Finale. Their titles are a little bit, they're a bit different because they all have a specific meaning. For example, van start is, to start. So every title has a different meaning. You might be thinking, why are there two books here for one level, so De Opmaat and Van Start? De Opmaat is for people of higher education and Van Start for middle education, and the same so for Inzicht and De Sprong. De Sprong is for people who have had a higher education. So let's take a look at the book itself. What kind of book is it? Well, it's a handbook that you would use in classrooms with a lot of people. Typically, there are some texts, there are some exercises, there are some grammar. There's a good mix of exercises you can do. So it's the book that a teacher would use and say, okay, let's make the exercises here and there and there and there. All right, so the book is completely in Dutch. So that's what you would be looking for if you're a teacher teaching Dutch. As I said, it's a typical handbook, so there are audio exercises and videos you can download online, with the audio being the one used in the Netherlands. There are no solutions in the at the end of the book, so you will need to be able to ask for the solutions to your teacher. All right, the price is rather high, not the highest, but rather high. Also, the last two ones of the series are Vooruit, and this one is the really last one, De Finale. The Vooruit is made to prepare you for a specific exam, the staatsexamen in the Netherlands, staatsexamen 1, and this one is used to prepare you for the staatsexamen 2. And these exams are to get particular certificates, so they're specifically designed for you to learn to prepare yourself for these exams. All right, what did I like about the book? Well, it's quite a quality book. There's a good presentation. You can see that they worked on the layout. It's not super, but okay, it's really nice. And I really enjoyed that they put a lot of articles, like real articles, in this book. So if you're willing to do one of these stats exams, this would be really what you would be looking for. It's a typical classroom book, so I wouldn't recommend it for teaching it yourself, so that's what I liked a little bit less, but okay. You can buy the book through the links in the description below, and see you in another review.